Good morning, everybody. How do you do? Are you doing good? Okay, dear ones. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, and our lesson name is Zoo Manners. Clear? Okay. Then recite with me. Okay. This poem written by Eileen Matthias. Okay. Then let's read and enjoy this poem, my dears. Okay. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins trudging around the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. Let's sing again, my dears. Okay, dear children, listen to me. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins strutting around the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. Do you like this poem, my dears? Okay, dear children. Then can I explain the summary of this poem? Okay, listen here. The poem Zoo Manners with 20 short lines is written by Eileen Matthias. The poem begins with a caution that you should be careful about what you say or do when you visit the zoo. It then tells the readers not to make fun of the camel's hump as the camel is proud of it. Clear, dear children? Okay. Let's discuss the new words of this chapter. Okay, listen to me. Our first word is proud. Proud means feeling self-respect or pleasure in something. I will tell the example sentence. My mother was proud of my recent result. I am proud of my country. Okay. Our second word is noble. Noble means someone with a very good character. Example sentence. Mother Teresa was a noble lady. I will tell one more example. The students were working for a noble cause. Okay, clear? Okay. Our third word is wise. Wise means someone who has a good experience and knowledge. Someone who has a good experience and knowledge. Example sentence. Ashoka was a wise king. Okay. Our next word is penguin. Penguins. Okay. A large seabird with wings for swimming underwater. A large seabird with wings for swimming underwater. Example sentence. She was dancing like a penguin in rain. Our next word is strutting. Strutting means to walk with a proud air. To walk with a proud air. Example sentence: he was strutting after he won the music competition. Clear, dear children? Okay. Take the next page, my dears. Okay, dear children. What is our next activity? That is, reading is fun. Our first question is, what do you see at the zoo? What do you see at the zoo? We see many types of birds and animals at the zoo, isn't it? Yeah, my dears, we see many types of birds and animals at the zoo. Our next question is, what does the camel have on its back? Can you say, what does the camel have on its back? The camel has a hump on its back. The camel has a hump on its back. Our next activity is, let's talk. Question number 1. Have you been to a zoo? I have been to a zoo. What about you? Our next question is, name the animals which you have seen in a zoo. Say the names in your own language and then in English. That's your today's activity. Okay. You should do and send it to me. You just record your voice and send it to me. Okay. Okay, dear children. Name the animal you like the most. That also you should say. Okay. Our next question. Did you feed any animals at the zoo? Should we tease animals? Can you say, I got a chance to feed a monkey. What about you? Our second question, should we tease animals? No, we should not tease animals. Is it clear? Okay, babies. Our next activity is, let's listen. Question is, listen and put a tick against the word that the teacher says. Can you do this, my dear ones? Okay, I will say the words. You just do with me. Okay. First word is it. You should put a tick mark. Word arch. Okay, clear? Okay, babies. Next word is thank. Next word, fun. And our next word, match. Next word, well. Do this activity and send it to me. Okay, dear children. See you on next time. Take care. Bye-bye.